On my right side, you can see we have Creator Rewards Program, but on my left side, you can see I don't have this option, meaning one account is international and one account is just a normal one. But in this video, I'll show you how you can get this Creator Rewards Program so that whenever you upload a video, TikTok is going to pay you real cash. Now let's tap on the rewards and let me show you something. So once you tap on the Creator Rewards Program, you can see to join, you must have at least 10K followers and you must be 18 years old and also have 100,000 videos views in the last 30 days. Okay. So once you reach this, TikTok is going to pay you per 1 minute video that you upload. Okay. But this doesn't work for we Africans, some of the Africans. So to do this is how you can get an international TikTok account. Now, make sure you do also subscribe to this channel, follow, and let me show you step by step on how you can get a TikTok international account to get paid. Now, let's jump into the video. First of all, this is my account, okay, and I have to create a new TikTok account. So I'll just tap on the 3 signs right here, and I'll tap on privacy, and I'll scroll down till I see switch accounts. I have so many accounts right here. So I'll just tap on add account. And if you can see the trick is very, very simple over here. You have to pay attention to this video. So you can see sign up for accounts where you can use your email, your Facebook, your, Apple, or to continue on with your Google. So this is really, really cool. And you also have login over here. Just make sure you tap on this Ghana icon right here. Okay. So the Ghana option, tap on Ghana. Once you tap on Ghana, they're going to give you so many options for you to select. We have select country or region. So this is where you are going to search for USA or US. Okay. So once you're searching for United States, you are going to get United States. So just tap on it. Now you can see the country has changed. Now this is what you have to do. Just tap on continue with email and make sure your email is legit. Okay. Because if you lose this email, you have lose your account too. So you can choose to tap on get trending content, newsletter, promotion, recommendation, and add account updates. Okay. So just have to enter your email over here. So let's say subscribe to my channel. Okay. So just add your, all I meant is add your email over here and just tap on continue. You're going to say your verification code to your email. Once you get it, make sure you just use it to verify. Add your password, your name, your everything. And once this is done, you are going to see the difference in the account. Okay. So you can see this is an international account. So I'll just tap on the 3 dots right here. I'll tap on TikTok Studio. Once you are here, scroll down to you see, there's more ways to get paid. Okay. So tap on more ways to get paid. And you are going to see we have the Creator Rewards Program here. Okay, it is very, very simple. So, you can check my bio. If you want cheap data bundles, to check my bio, you can get some cheap data bundles over here. Okay, it's very cool. So all you have to do is to go to your, search bar, whether Google or Safari. Okay, then you're searching for jeffriesdata.com. Once you search for jeffriesdata.com, they sell these data bundles over here. If you're Ghanaian, you can get 1 gig for 5 cedis, 2 gig for 11 cedis, 3 gig for 16 Ghana cedis. So if you are cool with these prices, just check the link in my bio, or you can just search it for jeffriesdata.com. Now, my name is Hanson or Jeffrey, and I think let me see you in my next video.